To begin, you're going to cut the legs off of a pair of white pantyhose. Then you're going to find something circular, so either newspaper, a rock, or maybe even a foam ball, and then you're going to wrap some paper towel around it. Once you have it all wrapped up, you're going to take that and shove it into the bottom of the pantyhose. Next, we're going to use some of the plastic spiders and start gluing them to the base. You want to slowly start making your way up the sack, but really have it be saturated at the bottom. So the spiders should be overlapping, there should be a lot of them, and really fill the bottom of that sack. As you start making your way up, it can slowly start spreading out, and eventually you'll have some of them going up the stem of the sack as well. Lastly, you'll just hang it from your ceiling or from your porch. Now, depending on how heavy it is, you can either just use a tack or you will need some sort of hook to hold this up. And that's it, you're done. So this project only took me about 15 to 20 minutes and it cost less than $5 to make.